Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make mutton curry. This mutton curry will be very different. I hope you all will like it. So I will show you the ingredients. This is mutton. You can see the mutton here. This is 1 kilo mutton. I have taken potatoes. You can see the size cut up. Today I am going to make mutton and potato mix. This is onions cut up here. This is tomatoes cut up, chopped up, and this is the masala which I am going to use. This has got jeera, onions, green chilies, ginger, garlic, and the rest masala what I am going to use while making the recipe I will show you. So I hope you all will like this recipe, this mutton recipe, and it will be very different. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So come on. Now first of all I will fry the potatoes and keep it one side. So let us start the recipe. Come on. Friends, first of all I will fry the potatoes. Friends, you can see the potatoes are cooked, fried up. Now I will take them out. Now in the same oil I will fry the onions. Put in the bay leaves. Let the onion fry. Friends, the onion you can see is turned golden brown. Now I will put in the salt. This is the mutton which I am going to put in. Friends, I will let this mutton fry a bit with the onions, and then I will use the masalas. Friends, the mutton is fried up along with the onions, you can see. Now I will put some turmeric powder first. Put some chili powder. Friends, now I will put in the masala which I made into a paste. So friends, let this masala fry along with the mutton. Friends, you can see the mutton frying along with the masala. Now I will fry this mutton along with the masala nicely. Then the mutton will taste very nice, very tasty it will be. Now this has to fry nicely the masala along with the mutton. I'm frying the masala and the mutton very nicely. I'm frying and frying and frying it nicely. Friends, you can see the mutton and the masala is fried up very nicely. Now I will put in the fried potatoes. I will put in the chopped up tomatoes also. Lots of tomatoes. Now I will be mixing this very nicely. Friends, you can see the tomatoes mixed up well. Now I will add some water. I am going to put cold water, not hot water. Today the mutton curry taste will be very, very different. I have added the water. You can see it. Friends, now I will add some garam masala and some meat masala, that is mutton masala. This is the meat masala, this which I am going to use now. This I am putting here. And this is the garam masala which I am going to put now. Friends, now I am going to cover this and let it cook nicely. I will put the flame little low. Friends, you can see the mutton curry cooking. It's almost ready. The mutton also is cooked up nicely and the potatoes also are cooked up. Both are cooked up nicely. Friends, this mutton recipe is ready with lots of onions and tomatoes and masalas all mix, and potato also mix up. The mutton curry is done very delicious. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.